This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir. From today onwards, we work with the handling unit management. Okay.
A quick question on the put away strategy.
Yeah.
The bulk strategy, does it work without handling unit, or it has to be with the handling unit?
With the handling units only. Okay. Bulk. Handling unit management. Bulk and ballot works with only handling units. Handling unit management. Simply, we can say that HU management. Okay. First of all, what is meant by HU? Definition, we say that a packaging material plus product or products with an unique identification number. Unique identification number. This is the handling unit. Okay, the packaging material. Within it or top of it, we have some products. But one unique identification number is assigned for that combination. That is nothing but handling unit. We see some images. Say here. One box is there. This is a cotton box. And this is a cotton box is a packaging material. Within it, some products are there, along with one unique identification number. This is nothing but handling unit. Say here. We fill these products and give some labeling, unique identification. That is nothing but handling unit. Or else, say pallet. Pallets. Say this is one pallet, and if we give some unique identification number, this entire thing is a pallet. Oh, sorry, handling unit. Here packaging material is pallet. Okay. Definition: a packaging material, product or products with a unique identification number. Here, if we observe, here we are working with two environments. One is ERP, another one is the EWM. So these three things should be common if we want to deal with handling unit. Say for example, I have one packaging material. That should be packaging material that should be maintained in both systems, ERP and EWM. And now come to product. Already we are dealing with. Next one, unique identification number. Here, say for example, in ERP, if we generate HU identification number, that is internal here in the ERP. That should be recognized by EWM system. Means ERP's internal should be external in EWM system. If we generate handling unit in the ERP system and if we distribute the deliveries into the EWM system, that should be recognized by the EWM. Recognized means packaging material products we have, not a problem. But coming to the ID number, identification number, that should be recognized by the EWM means we should have that same number as external in EWM system. Next one. Another case. Say, for example, during outbound deliveries and etc., I generate shipping handling units to send to the customers and etc. Means I generate the handling unit in EWM system. Means that is internal there. Internal number range should be recognized by ERP. Means they're external. This is the logic. These three things we require. Okay. Now we start from very simple configuration for this one. We start from ERP end, okay, and maintain in both systems and work with handling units. We are going to ERP system. And please note that one handling unit management is there in logistic modules ERP. Those configurations we are now we don't require to integrate with EWM and etc. Some transactions are there, VL move, etc. etc. Inventory management. Those we cannot use. Okay, say here. Go to AMG setup in ERP, logistic general, very simple configuration. Logistic general, handling unit management, basics, define packaging material types. Here we deal with some packaging material types. Packaging material types. Main packaging material, auxiliary packaging materials, and means of transport. The third one, later we can see during the yard management time and etc. Sorry, main packaging material. Come to here, cotton box is a main packaging material, pallet also a main packaging material. Coming to auxiliary packaging materials, examples are thermocol sheets, okay, shrink wrap, these are the auxiliary packaging material, bubble wrap, these kind of things are auxiliary packaging material. While building the handling unit, along with main packaging material, we use it. Along with main packaging material, we use this auxiliary packaging materials. Okay. These are the examples of auxiliary packaging materials. Now, come to our handling unit basics, define packaging material types. For our purpose, I am going to create two material types. Okay. Go to here, CBMP, I am using MPMW, cotton box. Say here, output determination, output types not required for us. And this also plant determination not required for us. Just come to here, packaging material category. Here you can take packaging materials. Okay. Say here only three things. And coming to the EWM, means of transport and transport equipment, club it together. Okay. Anyway, we use only means of transport. Packaging material, main packaging material, number ranges. External number range means, say for example, if you are ERP is connecting to any external number range, okay, interfaces or something, but whatever it may be, at ERP end that is external, but EWM end means EWM treat is as ERP is internal, so that should be recognized by the EWM. Please note that if the case of scenarios anything is there, from interface what number is coming and updating in our inbound deliveries and etc. Inbound deliveries, okay, and that number whatever it may be generating through inbound delivery that can be treated as a ERP's internal from EWM end, okay, from where it is coming and not where it is coming it cannot bother, EWM cannot be bothered, that should be recognized by the EWM. Okay, very rare you can see those kind of functionalities also there in the projects. Now coming to here, SSSC SSCC is there, that is the standard serialized container code. Okay, we are not using it. Normally in Europe countries and USA countries they use it. And number range interval we are going to use it. Say here. HU type we are not used from ERP end. Say here internal number range, external number range both are there. Say I am using 01 and E1, 02 or something is there. One thing, sir. No need to create as much as number ranges and etc. Unnecessary we get overlap and etc. Okay, already there we use some limit, some numbers. Go to logistic general. Handling unit management, external identification, number ranges. Just I am verifying. 01 we can use. This is internal. Next, external I required. 66500. No. 02 external is there, yeah. 02 and 80. Okay, see, just save it. Next one carton box I have created. PLMP, MPMW pallet. Packaging material, this is also main packaging material. For this also same number range I am using. Okay. Save. Number range assignment be unique. Yeah. Yes. Save it. Next one. On auxiliary, AXMP I am using. Auxiliary. Here, select auxiliary packaging material. Interval number range, save and read. Data was saved. Okay, these three packaging materials. Just see, first two digits I used for my identification. Auxiliary MPMW, CV MPMW, pallet MPMW, like this. Okay. One concept is there, define material group for packaging material. Say here, I want to build one handling unit. Say here, I want to build one handling unit here. Say here, this is the pallet main packaging material. This is small cotton boxes are there. This is also main packaging material. And one polythene cover is their auxiliary packaging material. But these three are different material types. Different material types. So if I want to build a handling unit, we need to have a group of these different kind of packaging material types. Group. Otherwise, system cannot allow it. See here. This is one example. Say here. Here also some cotton boxes and pallet, some plastic cover is there. Okay. Plastic cover is auxiliary. Cotton box is cotton box packaging material, and pallet is separate pallet. This. Okay. Like we need to have group regarding the group with relevant packaging materials which are coming from packaging material types. Okay. Say here they are building one handling unit. Say here, say directly they use, say here pallet and tins, some are there maybe in their system, entire Tunisia product in the case they are using pallet. Okay, these are the product, leave that pallet and plastic wrap. They are building handling unit, means this is one kind of packaging material type, this is another kind of packaging material type. So they are using for one handling unit, means we need to have one group for that. Define material group. Come to here, new entries, PGMP I am going to create some. That map group. Okay, like define allowed packaging materials. Say here one group I have built. One group I have built PGMP. Within that we need to assign relevant things. Come to here, new entries, PGMP, PGMP, PGMP. In this CBMP I am using talent, this one, and AXMP. See here. Okay. Now these three we required under basics. Coming to external identification, come to here number ranges. Number range maintenance for HU identification. Come to here intervals. Say here this is the area where we can maintain. Okay, some several number ranges are there. No need to maintain. Just straight away you can use 01 and 02 or something relevant. Some small length fields. I use some 01. This is easily identified 5 digits only. Say 01. Not external means it's internal, 02 external. Okay. Now the same thing, whatever we did now, the same thing we need to maintain in the EWM as well. Material type, group for packaging material, and number range assignments. Okay, like this. We are going to EWM system. Go to IMG setup, SCM extended warehouse management, cross-processing setting, handling units, basics. Okay, define packaging material types. See, this is the area, basics. Come to here, new entry, CBMP, same name, sir. MPMW, cotton box. Description, not a problem. Coming to here, category, only three are there. Means of transport, packaging materials, and auxiliary. This is a packaging material, main packaging material. Come here, and number range assignment. Say here, number range interval we are going to use. Okay, like next one. PLMP, MPMW, pallet, main packaging material. This is also number range interval. Next, AXMP, MPMW, auxiliary. Here, select auxiliary packaging material, number range interval. Okay, save it. Now, here also we require one group, packaging material group. The same thing, PGMP, just now I have created the same thing. Coming to here, new entries, PGMP, MPMW, TACMAT group. Maintain allowed packaging material types for packing group. The same which we have done. PGMP. Packaging materials, CBMP, PLMP, and AXMP. Three are there. Now, number ranges. Handling units come to external identification. Define number range for HU identification. Come to here.
Only first three we are using in configuration, sir, every time.
Pardon?
Every time we are going to use that first three only in configuration part.
Configuration part, every time where?
That first three we filled now, sir.
I'm not getting.
Sir, can you go for the screen? Here, first three is their material types, grouping material, and maintained load packing material.
These three mandatory. Why? Because we are dealing, we are distributing HUs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. These three is mandatory.
Okay,
coming to here, external identification. Define number range for HU identification. Here, number range is warehouse level. Number range is warehouse level at EWM. Just now we have seen in the ERP that number ranges not at plant level or company code level. Those are at the client level. But coming to the HU number ranges, those are at warehouse number level. Define number range for HU identification. Come to here. MP, MW is our just display. Nothing is there. Now we need to maintain the number ranges. See here, open this ERP. We are into ERP now. See here. I used 01 internal here. So the same 01 we need to maintain. 01. Copy this. Copy. Copy this. In ERP, this is not external. See, means internal. Here, it should be external. Okay, see here. Next one. 02. 02. Copy this. Copy. This one. This internal. Why? Because in the ERP, this is external, right? This is internal, so let it be. Save it. And if you observe, define packaging material type level, we do not have number assignment. Then where we need to assign? Coming to external identification, assign number range interval for packaging material types. One separate node is there. One
before that, this number range interval is always the same logic to be applied.
Yes,
ERP, it is okay.
Yeah, internal is external, external is internal. Same number. Otherwise, you cannot recognize it.
Okay.
Otherwise, that is not recognizing by the other system, foreign system.
Fine, got it. Thank you.
Say here. External identification, assign number range intervals to packaging materials. Come to here, say here, this is warehouse number level. See here, MP, MW, CBMP. Here only one is there, internal number range. But if we observe in the ERP, we have assigned internal and external for the packaging material types. But coming to the EWM, only internal. The reason is EWM is able to connect with multiple ERP systems. I cannot restrict for a single number range for my packaging material. Say for example, EWM system is parallelly connected to multiple ERPs. One ERP is using 02, another is 09, third one is the N9 or something. All those coming as an external number range. But I cannot 1:1 relation only here. So I cannot maintain that relation. I cannot maintain that external number range. But under this one, what warehouse level, just now we have maintained, right? Warehouse level we can see. I will show you again. Say here packaging material 02 MPMW. And one more thing, sir, these are the practice servers. Okay. Say for example, HQ numbers you want to different for cotton boxes and pallets and etc. That is also possible. Okay. If anyone is Anything is available number range, you can practice that as well. I am giving same number range for carton boxes and pallets. Some 20-30 number ranges are there. If I want to go for create unnecessary, I get overlap errors and etc. That's what. PLMP 02. Concept is there. AXMP 02. This is internal number range only we can say. Now, external number range. See here. Here just you need to maintain here only. See. External number ranges are there, right? 0, 1. So your UWM is connected to 10 ERP systems. 10 different number ranges are coming. In that case, you can manage external number range in this one. Okay, system can identify it. Now, go to our configuration check. Every time only one node was showing red symbol, number ranges. After maintaining warehouse task, warehouse order, and etc. HU identification. Now we can check it. Go to extended warehouse management, interfaces, ERP integration, general setting, check ERP EWM configuration. Come to here, EMP. This is also turned, this one, say HUID, yeah, turned green now. Okay. Now, as of now, we talked about only packaging materials. As of now. Then, what about the handling units? I am going to present one or two infographics. Okay. Here some concept is called HU type. HU type. HU type means type of HU. Okay. Definition: spatial appearance. Spatial appearance. It can define spatial appearance. Just if we go through infographics, we will get very good idea. Go to here. HU types. See here. Title is HU types of this infographic. Just the first left side bottom. Palette. All these 4 palettes are same. Come on, sir. All 4 palettes are same.
No, sir.
All 4 are same products.
And the
No, they
dimension
are
is
so different.
different.
Here, so again observe, sir. All these 4 are same products. Okay, I will tell some. Say here one palette is there. Say here this wooden, these are there, reapers or something. Okay, wooden. If you see here, some space is something 1 inch or 2 inch or something. Coming to the next palette, say something like a thick wooden is there. So this is and this is not same. And coming to here, this is and this is same, or these 2 are same. This is separate. Okay. This and this both are same? No. Why? Because this is 2-way accessible, this is 4-way accessible. I will show you clearly. Say here, if this palette is there, this is 2-way only. We can 2-way means forklift this side and this side can insert the ports. And coming to this one, this is 4-side palette. This side also I can lift. 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 Coming to this one, 2-way only. So that material and this material not same. Not same. Okay. Now coming to our image. Say, if I generate any handling unit with this palette, I can call it as a HU type 1 for this HU type 2, for this HU type 3, for this HU type 4. Okay, like this. These are all these are grouped together in one HU type group of HU types, wooden pallets. Agree or not, sir? Say, this is separate packaging materials, different HU types I am calling. All this group put together in wooden pallets. What is the use of this HU type group? We are going to know in further sessions. Okay, HU type. I will tell you in the resource management and etc. At this moment, HU type is spatial appearance of the handling unit. That HU type category is the spatial appearance of the handling unit. Okay, those we can group together in the form of HU type group. This one. Next one. Second one, middle. HU type, some 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there. This is plastic. This is also plastic. This is also plastic. See here. These are 3 different materials. So 3 different HU types. Those falls under one HU type group, plastic pallets. Okay. Now coming to the last one, HU type group, cartons and so. Say here, these 3 carton boxes, I say that packaging material, carton box. These 3 are same? No. Why? Because we use to lift this carton box, that side and this side, we keep hands on this. But the same you can lift here? No. We need to keep hands on the downside of the carton box. This one. Okay, this is downside and this is also downside. But can I say this? Both are same? No, this is rectangle shape is this, this is square shape is there. Cubic, rectangle cube or square cube here. But all those falls under HU type group cartons. Or else, I don't want to go with different HU type groups. A single I can use. You can use it. Only one HU type group. You can use it like this. Okay. This is the concept of HU types, where we maintain these HU types.
But this HU type group is different, right? But can we say that for HU type group cotton, that is 1, 2, 3, because it is not unique here.
Pardon, sir?
My question is, we have 3 HU type groups here. I mean, in this infographic, wooden pallets and plastic pallets and cottons. But the number is, can we maintain like HU type instead of 8? Can we maintain a HU type 1? Since the HU type group for cotton is different, right? Can you use that, or it is not?
Yes, you can use it. You can say, for example, say HU type group, wooden pallet, this is generic word. HU type group, 2-way access pallets. Within that, 2-way HU types, these also 2-way, this also 2-way, like you can use. Or else, HU type group, okay, rectangle carton box or something. These also you can use. And these type holes also there, assume that also you can use. According to our convenience, we can go with. Okay. There is no restriction. Okay. Just for understanding, we prepared one infographic. Okay, sir. Now, where we maintain the HU types. Coming to the EWM.
Sir, HU type is also like a packaging material, right?
No, packaging material and HU type both are separate. This is packaging material type. Until unless I assign this HU type for this packaging material, it is not calling as a HU. Okay.
Sir, HU type means the physical appearance, like the physical attributes, right? Like
correct. Spatial appearance or physical appearance is calling as a HU.
Okay.
Yeah. Now come to here, cross-processing settings, handling units, define HU types. Say here. Come to here. Here I am going to create HU type separate. MPH1. Okay. MPMW HU type 1. If you observe here, these HU types we are maintaining at client level. We are maintaining at client level. There is no warehouse number. See here in this table. M not there. So HMP1, MPMW HU type 1, HMP2 HU type 2, HMP3 3. For description, we can manage like this. Cotton box HU types. This is HMP. See here, handling unit types. And please note that whenever you are doing any IMG configuration, okay, please go through this documentation. What activity you are going to do? Why SAP is just like monopoly in the ERP market is, for each and every node, they have given documentation clearly. Here. See here. This one. Okay, like this. If we see here, HU types are at client level, I have maintained. Now, define HU type groups. Define HU type groups. HU type groups. Come to here. If we see here, HU type group, we are going to maintain at warehouse level. HU type group. Say, HU types are at client level. I want to use those HU types. What I am doing is I maintain some HU type group and assign with reference to that HU type groups. Just see, sir, one example.
Sir, the settings are you're doing in EWM, right?
Yes. Say here, one example. Normally, material is maintained at client level. Material in the ERP system, client level. Okay, we want to bring some plant level. In that case, we use some parameters. Okay, like HU types are at this one. What client level? We use some HU type group to bring that HU types into our warehouse. This is simple answer. After this, you will get some clear idea. Go to here, warehouse number, MPMW, HU type group, HGM1, MPMW, HU type, GRP1. Yes, this is our one HU type group. MPMW, HGM2, MPMW, HGM3, 3 groups. Or else only one group also enough for us. Now, come to here, define HU types for each warehouse number and assign HU type group. Define HU types for each warehouse number and assign HU type group. Come to here. Here in this area, anything is copied from reference warehouse. I am deleting those. Only our 3 we can use. New MPMW, HMP1, HU type group. Here, HGM1. Say here, HGM1. this load category and just ignore that, we are not using. Say here, this HU type I am assigning for our warehouse with reference to this HU type. Next, MPMW, HMP. Here, HGM2. Okay, handling unit group M2, right? This one. Next one. In my warehouse, HGMP3. HGM3. Like this. This one. Okay. See here, client level HU types I have assigned for my warehouse with reference to HU type group. With reference to HU type. Client level HU types. Okay. These are enough at this moment. Now we create some packaging materials in EWM and ERP and distribute to EWM system. Go to ERP system. MM01 MPMW CB carton box. Industry sector, something you can select, yes, for your business and etc. Material type here, VERP, sir. Packaging, VERP. Okay, see, this you can select. Select views, MRP is not required. Okay. R level, MPML, ROD. Okay. See here. Base unit of measurement eaches. Material of this one. Carton box weight is some 1 kg or something. All mandatory. You can enter. Okay. Okay. Coming to here, sales general required fields. This one. But coming to here, packaging material data. Here, what is the group for packaging material and what is the packaging material type here? CBMP is the packaging material type. See here, carton box. These two are the mandatory. Packaging material type and the group for the packaging. We have only one group, PGMP. I'm using it. See here. Enter. Okay, one carton box I have.
Sir, in WM packaging view, no need to maintain any HU types, sir, here?
No. That is embedded. We will check. First
Okay.
we finish template. Okay. See here. Default settings, not levels. Okay. Default settings. Just copying. Sir. Coming to here, group is same. General plan data. Here you can use it as PLMP. One auxiliary also I am going to create. Group is same, AX and P. During your practice and etc., sir, you can use different groups. Okay, if the space is available and etc., different groups, and you did not you cannot maintain packaging material types in the groups and try to handling unit and etc. Negative testing also please execute. Okay, don't blindly follow this session. As much as negative testings you can practice in the system. See, I am saying if we do not maintain the packaging material type in a particular group, it is not, it cannot generate handling unit. I am saying, and I am going with the forward testing. But the same thing you can check in your system for your better understanding. Okay, that you can see. Now, these three materials we have maintained CFM1. Please do not restrict for only the sessions. That materials. NPMW CB. NPMW palette. NPMW AU. Say here, three materials. Okay. CFM until unless we activate the integration. Done. These materials are distributed into the EWM. Now come to here EWM system. EWM. Go to extended warehouse management, master data, product, maintain warehouse product. Let's see here. Okay. NPMW CB. NPMW. This one. Why I pressed. Already there. Come to here. Change mode.
NPMWCB, the material is different.
Sir, we select the material one.
Yeah, correct, sir. NPMW CB. Change mode. Okay, not yet created. Okay, create. Come here. Coming to here, one packaging data is there. Topi symbol is there. This is the client level data. We can use other transaction also. Come to here, packaging data. Here, HU type field is there. HU type field. You need to maintain this HU type. What is our HU type? HMP1. See here. Save it. This is the relation between the packaging material and handling unit. Okay, HU type. This one. Go to our image. This one. Say this is the packaging material. I have maintained HU type. Save it. Palette. New entries. Packing. HMP2. Save it. Auxiliary. HMP3. Bus. These three products, we come with first test case. We are going to EWM system. Okay, we generate one handling unit. Either that handling unit is recognized by our EWM system and etc. We can easily identify this. Okay, configuration. We are going to ERP system. VL31 M some this one. Yeah. This is our yeah. HU01.
We need to create new PO now, sir.
Pardon?
We need to create a new POs because the materials is changing. We created new material, right?
Oh, these are normal products. Wait, sir. Those are the packaging materials. Just wait. We will get a clear idea. Okay. Say mat 1 and mat 2. I am doing the package. Okay. Mat 1 and mat 2. See here in the inbound delivery, we need to pack. In the inbound delivery, I am going to pack. See here, this is the button. See here. Come to here. Here packaging material. MPMW CB. Enter. See here. One number is coming. HU. MPMW CB. This also I am doing cotton box. See. Now select this cotton box. Select this pallet. Product packing. Select this cotton box. Select this product. These two are packed. Okay. These two are packed. And one more thing. Weights we do not have, right? Okay. This is the old PO. We go with a new PO. Same products, not for packaging materials. Later, I maintain the net weight, grass weight for the product. 1029. What? 23014. VL31. Now wait. Say one each, this one each, this one. Go to pack button. I want to build handling unit. I am using these carton boxes. Select this product, pack. Select this, pack. These two are packed. Total weight is 3, loading weight is 2, tear weight is 1. See here, loading weight means product weight. Tear weight means that box weight. Okay, like total weight is 3 kgs. Save it. Yeah, as usual, shipping notification.
What is that? Come again. Loading weight is a product weight. Tire weight is a packing.
Box, packaging weight. Shipping notification we saved and distributed to WMS. 3665. Come to EWM. Delivery process. MPMW. 665 last. not came. Distributed but not came. This one. 3665. 3665 no. First distributed came. Come to here. In ERP. First I am checking SMQ2. But all latest date. 665. Today 12th. Only 2 are there. Not there reverse.
Are we supposed to check SMQ1?
Not SMQ1. Sorry, SMQ2. Distributed came. Okay, we can check. First
SMQ2 in EWM we need to check, I think.
to check. One by one I will check. EWM. Come to here. SMQ2 of EWM. Select all. Anything you can select. Come here. Here it is there. NPML material cannot create. Okay, NPML ROD could not determine stock data for storage location NPML ROD. Error during mapping. Not it.
Sir, material might not be extended, I think.
NPML material is there.
No, that packaging materials.
Packaging material just we have extended, right? For maintain that one and extend.
Do we need to maintain anything in main material?
Yeah, something is a stock data is not identifying. Stock data. Interface also is check. The ROD is not there. I will show you that queue before process. How I can identify and etc. Go to our queue. I will tell you. Go to our queue. Someone is deleted. Say here, double click that. Could not create header data, material does not exist and etc. This stock attribute is not there. If we see here, message class integration, it is asking. And say here, could not determine ERP stock data for storage location MPML ROD, it is showing as ERP integration. Then I identify that storage location is not there. Storage location is not there. But before going to that, I intended to check either my available to group is there or not. There it's there. Straight away I went there and I maintained. If ROD storage location is there and availability groups are not there, Earlier, our friends are getting some 3-4 days errors, right? This is common. Material does not exist, and ROD 001 FFN not maintained like this. Okay, could not determine like this. If you remember the WhatsApp group and etc., you can see that kind of errors. Okay. Main thing, this message class I have seen that ERP integration level, some error in there. Okay, like that. And please do not see classroom warehouse. Okay. Please set status. Come to inbound delivery notification. Say here. This is the inbound delivery notification successfully processed. Say here red green symbol. Come to here HU tab. 2 handling units are there. Say for example, I want to see the components within it. Contents. This is packaging material. Contents. Scroll down, you can see here HU items content. Product 1 is there is in this HU. Product 2, 1 each is there in this handling unit. Next one. Inbound delivery. Come to here HU tab. Here 2 HUs are there. Here I want to see the details, HU details. Click on this button, display additional data. Display HU. Here it is showing one work center. This is virtual actually. Virtual work center, so not physical. See here box symbol, HU symbol is there. Open it. Here one product is there. Come back. This. Go to here, display HU. This. If I want to see both at a time, select it. Say here, both at a time. Okay, like this. Next, I am doing the goods receipt.
What is the 20611 and 20612?
Those are the ID number.
ID
Unique
number.
ID. Goods receipt. I do the goods receipt. Now those are available in these bins. See here. These bins, storage bins. Okay. One is the staging bin 1, another one is staging bin 2. Go to monitor. /n/SCWM/monitor. Stock and bin. Here handling units are there. If you want to see handling unit, say click on the physical unit or something. Here, execute it. These are the handling units. Say in this bin, this handling unit is there. In this bin, this handling unit is there. Okay. See 20611, 20611.
This 7 number is same, right, in both the system, ERP and DW. 2061. Okay.
Yeah, come to here, ERP. I generated in the ERP service.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Say here. The same. What is our observation is 20611 and 20612 I generated in the ERP system. These are the internal number range, internal handling unit numbers of the ERP. That is recognized by the EWM. That is recognized by the EWM. Why it is recognized? We have maintained here internal number range as external in the EWM system. That's why that got recognized. Otherwise, it will get some error or something. Okay. Now, coming to our inbound delivery. Go to here, follow-on functions, warehouse task. See here, 2 tabs are there. HU warehouse request handling unit. These are there. Normally, warehouse tasks are 2 types. One is product warehouse task, another one is HU warehouse task. What is the difference? Product warehouse task and HU warehouse task. I will show you one infographic. See here. Here, this is the HU. Some 5 bottles are there packed together on a pallet. Both are same. If we product HU warehouse task, if the system generates product HU warehouse task, we need to scan each product individually. Say here, each product. This is the not HU. This is product label. If we go to supermarkets or whatever it may be, supermarket, say some Reynolds or something, pen packets you can see. If you take only one pen, he can scan that pen in the cash counter. With some sticker you can identify that. That is not handling unit, that is product label. If you take the box, complete set of 10 boxes pen set, he can scan it, this entire box. That is handling unit. Observe that. Okay, like this thing. Say here, if a system creates product warehouse task, we need to scan individually. If we see the system create the HU warehouse task, we scan at HU level. Product warehouse task, scanning at product level, individual count for each product. HU warehouse task, scanning at HU level scanning, system gets product information from database. Like these things. Okay, these things. Again. Next, come to here. Here 2 tabs are there, warehouse request handling units. And if we observe, the product is coming in the handling unit, still it is creating product warehouse task only. If we see here you can see at header level product details, not handling unit. In the task level, just it is also product level, just it is showing some HU level. Means this is the product, header level product, this is back into the HU. Means product warehouse task, this is what is. Now, how we can get HU warehouse task? See this screen, header level product is there. Okay, but it should create in this. How it can be created? Go to warehouse process type. In case of HUs, how we can generate HU warehouse task? IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross processing setting, warehouse define warehouse process type, MTMW, M110 as I say. Here I am entering. Come to here. Scroll down, last button. Select HU without storage process. Without storage process, just ignore, select HU. Okay. Now, if we come to our inbound, 2 different warehouse process types are there. I have maintained HU warehouse task for this only, for not this, to show the difference. Come back. Warehouse task. Say here, 1010 is showing under the warehouse request product. Coming to the HU tab, another is there, M110, it is showing only handling unit at header level. Handling unit. Got it, sir? The difference between these two, HU warehouse task and product warehouse task. See here, this is the product warehouse task. This is the HU warehouse task. Okay. Now, see for example, create. Yes, for the strategy, it is going like this. This one. See warehouse task, default value, stock, and this one some are there. Now coming to HU tab. This one. Warehouse task. Here also you can create. It is creating HU task. Come here. You are moving HU only. And if you want to see, go to content button, you can see it. What is the content here? This is the.
Sir, it means if we don't select the checkbox, it always creates the product WT, sir.
Yes, exactly. Even though the product is in the system creates product warehouse task.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now see this one. Okay. Now what I'm doing is create plus save. Come to here. Two warehouse orders are created. Say here, first one. First one, it is not showing any product warehouse task. Go to HU warehouse task. This is HU warehouse task. Second one, it is not showing any HU warehouse task, but it is showing in product warehouse task. Okay, like this. This is the difference between HU warehouse task and the product warehouse task. Say here, once again, see this one. Scanner. Product warehouse task means individual product you can count. HU warehouse task means just you can scan the HU. Just you can scan the HU. Means the system can observe from the database that information, what are the products inside and etc. Okay. Just example, supermarkets, go to this one, any product or something, packaged or this. Okay. Like you can see. Okay. Now once after, and one more thing, here put away strategies is not effective. Either you are bringing a HU or product. Put away strategies are not effective. Okay, see here. Now go to monitor. Physical stack HU. One is placed here, another one is placed here. Okay, okay. Like this, we can work. As of now, HU configuration is perfect in our both systems. Tomorrow, as much as play with handling units. Okay, some different business cases. Just a simple example, cotton box. I bring from the vendor send a cotton box, but that cotton box is damaged. I want to repack in new cotton box and keep in our warehouse. How to do it? Or else, vendor sends pallets, but pallets cannot be sit in our racks. I empty the pallets and keep the product in the cotton boxes, store in that. Like business scenarios tomorrow completed. Okay. Okay, sir.
Do we have the same exact setting in embedded version as well? You mentioned that there are some master data different.
Small difference is there. I will tell you tomorrow.
Okay, but in real time, in a single inbound delivery, both the warehouse task and product handling unit task can be applicable. It's just an example you showed today.
Both applicable. Say here, product warehouse task we can see, handling unit warehouse task we can see all.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for attending session.